Thanks for tuning in. It's the Mr. Show. I Red Pill Rickster. All right, let's get ready. Let's get ready to roll. Let's do this. Follow me on Instagram, King Turbo Canada. Conversations that add value. All right, we're going to get right into it. Shout out to the Buzz Rhythm, Wicked. All right, so what we've noticed, women nowadays being so narcissistic. And the worst part about it is there's men out there that's out there simping. It's allowing this to happen. You know she's not interested in you, bro. And you keep on pressing her, you keep on calling her, you keep on sending messages and good morning and good evening. I mean, that's the righteous thing to do. That is the chivalry thing to do. But guess what? If she's not into you, bro, she don't respect that. So we're going to move on. We're going to talk about some women who need to really change their ways. And men, you need to change your ways as well. You know, like narcissistic women are out there just as much as there are narcissistic men. So if you play it into the game, then they're going to play you like a violin, bro. It's as simple as that. So let's get right into it. It's the Mr. Show. Yo, I Red Pill Rickster. Wah. Let's get it rolling one time. This girl is talking about some narcissistic women. And boy, may I tell you, she's hitting some nails on the head, right? Easy, Bunty. Easy, Bunty.
No matter how old a man gets, he's always going to have options. Younger, finer, fitter, willing. But they wasted all their time telling all these good men, oh no, you're not my type, and I need a man that's gonna do all this stuff for me. You too broke for me. Y'all brag about the fact that y'all don't cook. You brag about the fact that you're not cleaning for nobody. You brag about the fact that you're selfish. You brag about all these things that are contrary to what a man wants.
Right.
What happens is they start approaching that wall. Once they are approaching that wall, or once they hit it, they already got kids. They're not in their prime anymore. And then they get frustrated. They try to convert other women and try to convince other women that they also don't need men because now they no longer qualify. Now what are you left with? You're broken, used, washed up, your self-worth, your dignity, all of that done gone. Ooh. Now what you gonna do? You love talking about yourself and you could do bad all by yourself and it's all about me and because I'm the prize. Where are your results then? If you the prize, who the prize winner? You're the prize. Where is the collector of the prize? It don't matter.
Whoa.
It don't matter.
Whoa. She's dropping it, yo.
How old a man gets, he's always going to have options. Younger.
He's always going to have options. No matter how old a man gets, it's real because if you know how it goes, he knows that women are born with their value and men have to earn their value as they grow. Like, for example, an 18-year-old boy, a 20-year-old boy, he's like invisible, doesn't have any value. He's more of a liability to my team as a grown man than he is an asset. So men have to grow their value while women are born with value. Like I heard Myron from Fresh and Fit say it best. Like, you ever see 19-year-old men on a yacht living that life, that dream life like you see certain women living? Nope. Because women are born with the value and men have to earn and grow their value, right? So let's keep going. I got another clip reaching out to the narcissistic women from every culture, right? Because I'm a Jamaican-born Canadian, respecting every culture around the world. So we're not just calling out one set of women, we're calling out all women with this type of a mentality. Okay, so let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show, I Red Pill Rickster, all right? So that was what men request. Now this one here, check it out. This Jamaican man is going to spit out some facts here. Check it out.
Spit some facts.
They want to sit around and talk about these black men ain't nothing. These black men ain't that. In the last 30 years to 35 years, black men ain't even been in the house to raise them. So how y'all gonna talk about these young black boys ain't nothing when you sorry bitches who won't raise them the last 30 years? You hoes the one throwed us out for welfare and then put us down.
Whoa. That was not really a laughing matter, Woody Woodpecker. But boy, the man spit some facts. All right, let's get back into it.
Black man finna spit some facts.
I want to sit around and talk about these black men ain't nothing. These black men ain't that. In the last 30 years to 35 years, black men ain't even been in the house to raise them. So how y'all gonna talk about these young black boys ain't nothing when you sorry bitches who won't raise them the last 30 years? You hoes the one throwed us out for welfare and then put us down talking about we don't love our kids and all that. Go down one of my 3 baby mamas and ask me if I'm a deadbeat dad. I love black women, Jamaican black, Spanish black. You American bitches, piss on you hoes.
Wow. Whoa. Tell him how you feel. Tell him how you really feel, yo. See, he say he loves everybody, all the women them. But this Western world, this Western women, he ain't feeling it.
Around and talk about these black men ain't nothing. These black men ain't that. In the last 30 years to 35 years, black men ain't even been in the house to raise them. So how y'all gonna talk about these young black boys ain't nothing when you sorry bitches who won't raise them the last 30 years? You hoes the one throwed us out for welfare and then put us down talking about we don't love our kids and all that. Go down one of my 3 baby mamas and ask me if I'm a deadbeat dad. I love black women, Jamaican black, Spanish black. You American bitches, piss on you hoes.
Yo, this legend was cold ice, and he meant every word that he said. And straight up, yo, if we got men feeling like this is one thing I got to tell all the men. It's as simple as this. Go get your passport. Go and get your passport. All right? Thanks for tuning in. Another episode of the Mr. Show. I Red Pill Rickster.